The survey showed us that the most profitable firms use their software more often and go much deeper into the functionality. This year's Financial Advice Efficiency Survey reveals the rise of the software superuser. Advice firms that are getting more done faster with greater efficiency than the rest. How are they doing it? By focusing on core technology to manage and deliver financial advice, embracing training, and going deep into a platform's functionality to extract maximum value for far less effort.
From the survey, it was uncovered that the most profitable firms use their software more often, going deeper with fewer platforms. Can you expand on this?
Yeah, it was a really interesting finding, Nicole, in that the most profitable firms, as you say, focused on core pieces of tech and invested heavily in them, and they were getting better returns from it. So when we drilled down on that, there were a few things that stuck out. What was driving that return on investment? And I think first and foremost is the more platforms, the more applications you use, the more complexity you add to your back office in what is already a very complicated business to run. So simplifying and streamlining those back office processes to just a few core applications definitely delivered results. The other interesting thing we found was wherever you have data entry, you have the potential for data errors. So the fewer applications that someone needs to enter client data or investment data or product data into, the less chance there is for error. And the third key point around rationalising the apps and the platforms you use is the war for talent is on. Most firms are looking to attract or retain the best available talent that's out there. By rationalising the number of applications and systems in use within the back office, the training can be more focused. You can spend just as much money, but go far deeper. And what we found with the high profit, high performing firms was they invested roughly the same in training, but they went a lot deeper. They were looking for their people to learn about the advanced functionality. How else can we use this system above and beyond an advice document production process, for example? And finally, linked to that was it enables you to fast track new employees or employees moving into a new role far more quickly. The learning curve is not as great if you only need to get across 1 or 2 apps as opposed to 5 or 6, and those new employees can be far more productive and profitable far quicker.